I think Very good morning, everyone. I think I've already given you one assignment, one kind of things which you need to get it during today's lecture regarding our basic industry, which was textile industry. And there were many competitors in 70s or late 70s or beginning of 80s. What has happened? Why some of them, few of them rather, only few of them they are successful, and many of them they are not successful. Have you done? Even I've given you the names of those textile companies. If you want, I can repeat. Bimal, which was with Reliance, Century Mills, which is with Birla, Gwalior, Grasim, Mayur, Arvind Mills, Bombay Dyeing, etc., etc. Just see the scenarios of today's industry and where they are standing. Why it has happened so? And believe me, whatever I'm teaching, whatever I'm guiding, whatever the things I'm asking you to do it, it has very, very close connection with financial management. Nothing beyond financial management I'm teaching. Have you realized that? Let us compare with Gwalior or Grasim shootings with women. Why it has happened? Why today with women, Reliance is one of the leading industries across India, not only in India, even abroad, across the globe, and why the others were not so successful. Whereas in late 70s, all were at par. I want the participation from you all. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? The very basic reason is some of them they have followed the financial management effectively, whereas many of others did not. If I'll take the example of Reliance, you see how the Reliance has taken the strategy. You will understand they started with the basics when the textile were at boom. They have invested their funds properly. They have earned huge amount of profit, and then they went into petrochemical. Yes or no? I think there are only few private players in petrochemical, and Reliance is one of them. Rest all is government company only, and they are known as Mani Ratnas and Navratnas of government because that also gives huge profit as they don't have any competition, right? Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil. उसके अगेंस्ट में आपने देखा रहेगा at few places that there is a Reliance petrol pumps also. But when they have started this at Jamnagar and they found there were a lot of government intervention, there were not many rules and regulations, immediately they realized plenty of fun investing in this is not good. That shifted. And then at that point of time, late 90s or early 20s, there were telecom. Reliance was the first company and last company in India which has given, if you are taking the connectivity, the mobile phone will be free. TDMA scheme. Are you aware? They had a tie-up with Samsung and LG. These were the two set. Along with that, they are giving. If you go abroad, you find there will be a choice. Even you will get Apple mobile phone if you take the service of particular service provider, because service charges is very high. At that point of time, the receiving call was 1 rupees, the giving call was 5 rupees. And that went for a period of time. So when there was boom in telecom, they have invested in telecom. Then when it went for other industry, they realized with one industry we cannot survive. Then they have diversified their funds in many industries. And then when they went into Reliance Money, Reliance Insurance, Reliance Trend, Reliance, and today they are selling even Kanda Batata at Reliance Press. Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
You are aware
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Okay. Have you seen Gwalior or Grasim has done like this? Or Bombay Dyeing has done it? उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ किया क्या? One more thing, you have seen Reliance is always there for metro. देखा है आपने दिल्ली मेट्रो, मुंबई मेट्रो, majority metro product they take, but they never invest in aviation. आपने रिलायंस को देखा कभी एविएशन में इन्वेस्ट करते हुए? देखा है क्या? हाँ या ना बताओ. Tell me, you should know all this. You'll find the answer is no. और आपने देखा बड़े बड़े प्लेयर की क्या हालत हुई. यूबी ग्रिप, विजय माल्या, एविएशन ने खा लिया. सहारा ग्रुप, एविएशन ने खा डाला. क्या नाम था? जेट एयरवेज बर्बाद हो गया आफ्टर 30 years. Because in aviation the profit margin is very limited. Yes or no? There is huge investment in crude oil. And huge investment in infra, and even if you will take the aircraft on lease or on rental basis, it will be a huge investment. But it will not be always. In days to come, you'll find aviation will also be going to be a very, very fruitful industry in India, which will fetch a huge amount of profit. Not only Reliance, I can give you the example of Wipro also. What was the basic product of Wipro? बताओ. कहाँ से उन्होंने स्टार्टिंग करी थी जर्नी? जैसे रिलायंस ने टेक्सटाइल से करी थी, वैसे ही विप्रो ने कहाँ से करी थी? Edible oil. And then they went to IT. They earned a huge amount of profit when IT was at boom in India. Can you tell me why, from where they have earned huge amount of profit? The answer is Y2K, year 2000. When computer had been invented at the I mean in late 70s or 80s. In India, it came in 1995. When they have given this date, it was 19 series only. And when we were approaching 2000, it was a huge crisis in computer industry because they were not having the series of 2000. So it was given the nomenclature of year 2000 problem. Y2K. K means 30. And this entire research has been conducted by Wipro, and they have served and survived, serve all the industries, and remaining industries could survive with their previous data before 1999, and they can continue with the data in 2000, 2001. Now there is, for 100 years, there is no problem. Out of them, 21 years is over. Understood? But subsequently, they have also changed. They also diversify their business. You must have seen now they are in electric bulbs. Okay, most of the पता नहीं अभी आप लोग रेलवे में जाते नहीं हो. They are providing those tube lights to railway. They are selling diapers, soaps, so many Wipro products, which has not happened with other industries. They were hardcore, bounded with their traditional business of textile. If you not do such, if you not diversify yourself, today you have seen many of them, they are from different streams. Now they want to learn e-commerce. Why? Because they know there is a future of e-commerce only. So if you not go as per the trend of industries, as per the trend of modernization or innovation, then definitely you will out of race. And that is what happened with other, competitors who are there in the same industries, that was textile. समझ में आया? This case studies.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is very, very important that the application of finance, and I told you people are also very, very bad in that. Which industry I should invest? I will always try for those industries from where I should get maximum return. I should get a monopoly market. अब देख लो रिलायंस के दो भाइयों में. And research is very important. Financial management is very important. If we will not follow those strategies, you will be out of race. You have to close down. There will be winding up of your company. सब खत्म हो जाएगा. So you have very few case studies of success stories. I've given you few case studies of failures also. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is a success story. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani is a failure story. Because when they have diversified, they have not properly diversified their funds. उन्होंने किधर डाइवर्सिफाई किया फंड्स को? उन्होंने पहले डाइवर्सिफाई किया आईटी में, बहुत पैसा बनाया, बट उन्होंने न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी 4G 5G के लिए सोचा ही नहीं. Immediately they went for power sector, they went for entertainment sector. सब डूब गया. I told you, I've given you the trend also, which industries is going to be in boom in days to come after pandemic, which will be in red areas. Those kind of things are very, very important for all of us. For our financial decision, if we are an investor, whether we should invest in those companies or not. Or we should start those companies or not. We should make the funds available or put our funding in those companies or not. Now let me give you the case studies of recent Zomato. Why Zomato is oversubscribed? आपको पता है रेस्टोरेंट का क्या हालत हुआ है? ये सुनो, रेस्टोरेंट सर्विसेज की क्या वाट लगी है आपको पता है ना? In last 2 years. अरे tell me yes or no. How many of you have visited hotel or restaurant since March 2020?
Yes, sir.
Hardly we had been to because of pandemic. अगर वो चालू करते तो गवर्नमेंट बंद करती है, गवर्नमेंट चालू करती है तो पब्लिक बंद करती है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
फिर भी जोमेटो निकल पड़ा है. क्यों? और ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल गया. इस लॉकडाउन में भी जब बोला कि पब्लिक के पास पैसे नहीं है, उसको ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिला. ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन, यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन?
No, sir.
Suppose they wanted 100 crores of rupees, okay, and they have put 1 lakh of shares of 100 each. So there is the people who have applied IPO through IPO, initial public offer, is more than 3 lakh, 4 lakhs. That is known as over subscription. In such case, the company has an option. After issue of shares and पड़ा रहेगा redemption of shares or redemption of debentures. Okay. So what will happen? Then the option is available for the company. Either they can reject those applications or they can give the pro rata allotment to their company share. Can you tell me why that Zomato has gone for over subscription? क्या बेसिक्स है, क्या फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस है? बताओ क्या रीजन है कि अनिल धीरूभाई अंबानी डूब गए? एक तो उन्होंने टेलीकॉम को अपग्रेड नहीं किया, दूसरा उन्होंने पावर सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट किया जिसमें टाटा एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स आए, अडानी ने खा लिया उसको. आपने देखा है इवन रिलायंस पावर ऑफ मुंबई सेगमेंट इज आल्सो टू बी सोल्ड टू अडानी ग्रुप. यस और नो?
Yes.
यस से उसने खरीदा था, इससे अडानी ने खरीद लिया. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
फिर उन्होंने इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, क्या बोलते हैं, डिफेंस इसमें प्रोडक्ट्स में, आर्म्स एंड उसमें गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन इतने, फॉरेन प्लेयर इतने, सारे पैसे की वाट लग गई. द सेम थिंग हैज नॉट डन बाय मुकेश भाई. उन्होंने कैसे जगह पे पैसा डाला जहां पे पैसे से पैसे ने पैसा कैसे बना के दिया उसको. आपको बताया ना व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी रिच. क्या है फंडामेंटल? रिच एंड पुअर में मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में आपको सिखाया था, क्या था? अरे बोलो, टेल मी. क्या सिखाया था? or rich between middle class. What is happening? Middle class always earns money जिंदगी भर, फिर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन वापस जॉब करता है, वो भी अर्न्स मनी, उसका नेक्स्ट जनरेशन वापस जॉब करता है, दे अर्न्स मनी। यस और नो? हाँ या ना? Whereas if you go
Yes,
to
sir.
rich, they
Yeah.
never go for work. आपको क्या लगता है रतन जी बैठते सुबह से शाम तक? रतन टाटा और एनीवन और असीम प्रेम जी, देयर मनी अर्न्स मनी फॉर देम, उसका पैसा उसके लिए पैसा कमा के देता है। जिस दिन आपका पैसा आपके लिए पैसा कमाने लगा, आप रिच बनते जाओगे। एंड देयर आर मेनी सक्सेस स्टोरी, जोमेटो इज वन अमंग देम। इसके एंसेस्टर, पहले इट वाज अ नोशन, अर्लियर वी वर थिंकिंग कि टाटा बिरला ही अमीर बन सकता है। क्यों? उन लोग खानदानी अमीर है, टाटा बिरला सिंघानिया मित्तल एंड ऑल। ऐसा नहीं रहा। आज आप देखते हो रितेश अग्रवाल भी पैसे वाला बन गया। कौन है रितेश अग्रवाल? बोलो। ओयो देखा है? ओयो, ओयो यू नो? तो कब बहुत पुअर है, ऐसा सुना है क्या कभी? ओयो देखा ही नहीं आप लोगों ने? ओयो विच इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू द रूम्स। हे भगवान, तुम लोग को मास्टर बनने का कोई हक नहीं है। यू आर नॉट फिट फॉर टू बी एज अ मास्टर ऑफ कॉमर्स। वेरी पुअर, वेरी पुअर। उसका हिस्ट्री पता है आपको? वो क्या था और आज उसके पास इतने पैसे हैं? बिकॉज दे हैव, और उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत सारे पैसे जमा किए, एक अच्छा सा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया, जितने भी होटल थे उसको लिंक किया, जिसको होटल चाहिए रूम चाहिए उसको लिंक किया, कैटेगराइज करा। ओयो में 1000 रुपए का भी रूम है और लाख रुपए का भी रूम है कि नहीं? Just 1 second, please. So this is very important. Only having finance is not going to serve your purpose. Effective utilization of finance is also fundamental of financial management. Yes or no? Not only effective utilization, getting and gaining highest return is also fundamental of financial management. And all things you consider, all other ancillary things. You talk about production, ultimately it is dependent on finance. You talk about HR, it is ultimately dependent on finance. You talk about sales, it will be ultimately dependent on finance. So any segment or anything you will consider, ultimately it will fall down to finance. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Knowledge of finance and application of financial management is the most important activity. And that should be the part and parcel of finance learning, financial management learning. Now, suppose there are two public subscriptions. Okay. One is Air India, and other is with Tata Airlines. In which you are going to invest? कौन से कंपनी पे आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पसंद होगा? Tell me. Thank you, Dhruvi, John. It's always Tata. Okay. Thank you, Jinal and Vitanjali, everyone. Why? अगर देखने जाओगे तो wealth wise Air India has having very wide wealth. Sara airport belongs to Air India only. Yes or no? Where if you go for brand, Tata has created far better brand than Air India. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes, sir.
maximization of brand, not the maximization of wealth. Profit maximization important नहीं है. अब तक brand valuation, wealth creation is important. If suppose I'll ask what is the cheapest source of finance, debt or equity? What is the cheapest source of finance, debt or equity? Tell me.
Equity.
Why equity? The 90% student always write equity, which is wrong answer. Equity dividend when we pay.
Sir, debts, sir.
Okay, why debts, Omkar?
Sorry, sir.
Why debt? Why not
Sir,
equity?
over the long run, if you see when it's come to paying back, then if it's equity, you might have to pay higher compared to debt.
This is wrong answer. Because in debt
Okay.
we get the tax benefit. When you have done
Yeah,
your
exactly.
profit and loss, let me finish now. When you have done the profit and loss, you have paid debenture interest before tax, from the profit before tax. Whereas you have declared the dividend from the profit after tax. So on dividend, you will never gain the tax benefit. So these things are the basic fundamentals of your financial management. The book is available on the website. So next time I'm going to start time value of money. Basics is done. मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे. You have to search for the book of corporate finance. Yes, ये कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस जो एमकॉम का बुक है वो आपको डाउनलोड करना है. And once you will reach your you'll get the book like this, which covers a majority of the syllabus of ours. So today we were dealing with the scope, objective of financial management, why the financial management is there, what is the policy, why we need learn the financial management strategies, etc. Okay, whether we should give the profit maximization or value maximization of our, which is beneficial for the shareholders. Okay, what are the functions of financial management? It is not only the capital requirement, but also the capital composition, how much debt and how much equity we should do. That we should always do the trading on equity. Okay, what are the sources of fund? How to investment to be done? How the management to be cash of done is to be done. And next time we will start with the time value of money, which is very important. So for next lecture, what I need your one notebook in which the theory part is over. You should write all the theory related to financial management and its basics. Okay. Even if you want to do it beyond this, there are other financial management material is also available in my you find there are other financial management books also is available. वहां से भी आप ले सकते हैं. कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग है, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट करके बुक है और सारी. ठीक है, वहां से उठानी है और उसमें से भी अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो आप उसको पढ़ सकते हैं और आपके नोट्स में डाल सकते हैं. चॉइस इज योर. Don't restrict only to one reference material. If you want another reference material, and everything I'm providing you online. It's not, you cannot make any claim कि sir नहीं आ पाए या लाइब्रेरी ने नहीं दिया. Corporate finance theory and practice. Indian books are there, foreign books are there. So whatever the books you find comfortable, you find okay, it is better for my learning, you can follow that, no problem. Okay. See, whether it is Omkar, whether it is debt or equity, when you are repaying, you have to repay. If you are bankrupt, then equity will be in a loss. But if you are in good condition and you want to close down your business, then always equity is a loser. Okay. So I told you what is the cheapest source of finance. When I want to raise the funds, okay, I will think company's point of view, where I need to pay minimum return. So when suppose there is 14%, let me explain with this example. If there is 14% debentures of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, and there will be equity share also of rupees 1 lakh. And हमने equity dividend declare किया at the rate 14%. तो मैं जब भी डिबेंचर इंटरेस्ट दूंगा, it will be from net profit before tax. तो मेरा पेमेंट 7,000 होगा. See, डिबेंचर इंटरेस्ट will be 14,000. from net profit before tax. Financial accounting में देख लेना. Okay. So 7,000 I will take tax benefit. Okay. Whereas equity dividend will be entirely 14,000. Okay. So in that case, मेरा 14,000 का पेमेंट जाएगा इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर को, whereas सिर्फ 7,000 का पेमेंट जाएगा डिवेंचर को. Okay, that is the cheaper sources of finance as compared to equity. So next time I'll start with time value of money. Please be with long exercise book. Index page पे सारा चीज लिखना है आपको, because I'm going to check your assignment on regular basis, and your 40 marks will be on assignment and viva, not the project and viva. In other subject, it will be project presentation.